So now, to couple our flower, the first thing we're going to do is to clean the full-blown rose. I've already showed you how to do that in other flowers, but because we did this last, we have to also do the same thing. You can see I'm using edible spirit and a little pink color to bring out the real color out. After this, the next thing we are going to do is to allow it to dry. Edible spirit is very, very quick when it comes to drying. So you can see the color is out. Just make sure you clean every dust. Now, let's arrange the flowers. You start with your first petal rose. Begin to tape it down a longer wire of size 20. And next, you add your 3-petal rose. When you get to a certain part, that is the gapping, at least should be up to like 3 inches gap. You add another one. Now this one is your 6-petal rose. You have added the 1-petal rose. You have added the 3-petal rose. Now you are adding the 6-petal rose. And after that, you add your leaf. And after the leaf, we are going to be putting our calyx on the large rose. So you can see the flower is now arranged accordingly. So the next thing that goes in now is your leaf. Just continue tapping as you add. I believe every one of us know how to do this. Like I said, this is not actually part of what I'm supposed to teach, but for the fact that I just want you to see that the recipe works for all things as long as flour is concerned. That's why I have to show you this. So now, roll out and cut out with your calyx cutter. Apply your gum. And then insert your rose. Now get another smaller piece of green and then put at the bottom. Now you are good to go. Allow it to dry before adding it. So now it has dried and I want to add it. At this point it will be a bit heavy. You just have to take it easy, tapping it. You don't have to be too fast. There is only one thing you want to achieve, and that is arranging it in such a way to be very beautiful. Now after that, your flower is ready. Now you add the second leaf to the bottom part of the rose. And you are good to go. That means your rose is ready. Please, if you have any question, endeavor to ask. By the grace of God, I will answer you, okay? From tomorrow, by the grace of God, we'll begin to talk about the wedding cake class. So everyone will be moved. So that is it. Our flower is ready. Isn't this lovely? This is beautiful.